our scaffold, we want to wrap this scaffold around gesture detector. Why? Because we want anywhere we tap in this UI, we want to be able to get to the XY position. So in your case, if you wrap it around any kind of widget, like for example inside a container widget, then you'd be able to get the position of XY for that widget. But in our case, we are wrapping it around scaffold. Scaffold is also a widget. Okay, wrap it around inside gesture detector. Gesture detector has a property which is called onTapDown. So this is the one that we are going to go ahead and use. And actually it takes a callback function. Okay, so we have to create a function. Now this function is get tap position. We have to pass an argument to it. Of course, this function doesn't exist. We'll go ahead and create it. So this is the function which is called get tap position, and this is being called from here. And as we call it, we are passing a parameter details. Now this tap down details has an object which is called global position. We get that global position and we save it to tap position. What is tap position? Tap position is an offset variable or offset object. Offset is basically for storing 2D floating points, which also means basically for storing X and Y. So as we tap on that, we update our UI using set state. So that means that this variable tap offset would hold our XY position. Now we'll go ahead and fit this XY position to our text widget over here. So here is my X position. So how we get it? Remember, tap position variable, it has XY. You have to access the XY using .dx, and we just want first 2 points after decimal. And we are doing the same for Y. So tap position .dy. dy stands for Y position. Let's save it. Let's tap somewhere and we see that value changed immediately. Now here's a button. I have this button to demonstrate that even though we are using tap position over here, even though we are getting the position on tab, but it doesn't affect our elevated button or any kind of other UI. And inside this text position, we want to show just X and Y position. So inside this text widget, we have this X position dx, and then we are getting Y position dy. Let's save it. And as we click on this, bottom we will see a snack bar. Let's click on this. And we see the XY position 338, 338, just like that. So you can also use it for gaming. Thank you so much.